Step into the 2014 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Hyundai infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.